Hi guys, welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point. Today we are going to discuss of class 10th chapter Arithmetic Progression CBSE pattern important sums. For what values of n are the nth terms of two APs 63, 65, 67 so on and 3, 10, 17 so on are equal. Okay, in the given question they give two AP series and for what values of n the two series will be equal. We need to find the value of n here. So first write down what is given in the question. Given that AP series of first AP series is 67, 63, 65, 67 so on. We need to find the value of n guys. So finding the value of n. First write down what is given in the question. A1, A2, finding D value. A2 minus A1 that equal to 2. Therefore D value. Why I mention here D1 because it is the first series, right? So common difference of first series is 2 guys. So similarly finding common difference for the second series also. A1 equal to 3, A2 equal to 10, D equal to A2 minus A1 that equal to 7. Therefore D2 equal to 7. 2 is nothing but the second series, that is a given series. Okay, finding the general term of an AP. So A plus n minus 1 into D1. So substitute the values, we get 61 plus 2n. Okay, put as equation 1. Similarly find the general term of an AP for the second series also. We get minus 4 plus 7n equal to 0. This is equation 2. Given that in the question both nth terms are equal. Given that two AP series are equal. So we need to equate both guys. Here 1 is equal to 2. So 61 plus 2n equal to minus 4 plus 7n. So sending minus 4 to LHS it becomes 65. So it becomes minus 5n. Okay, 65 minus 5n equal to 0. That implies 65 equal to 5n. Make n as subject, we get n equal to 13. So if n equal to 13, then both series will be equal guys. Okay, I hope you understand this sum. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.